Is your Spectrum TV app failing to load, freezing, or showing poor video quality on your LG TV? You're not alone. These issues often stem from software glitches, poor network connectivity, app incompatibility with your LG TV's WebOS version, or outdated firmware. As of September 2025, the Spectrum TV app is generally available on LG TVs from 2016 onwards, WebOS 3.0 Let's explore some common causes and quick fixes. Common problems users face include the app failing to load, freezing during playback, poor video quality, or even complete failure to install or launch. These issues often stem from software glitches, poor network connectivity, app incompatibility with your LG TV's WebOS version, or outdated firmware. One major cause is DNS issues. Faulty DNS settings prevent the app from reaching Spectrum's servers. You can fix this by changing the TV's DNS to Google's 8.88.8 and 8.4.4 or Cloudflare's 1.11.1 via Settings, Network, Wi-Fi Advanced Settings. Keep your LG TV's firmware updated. Outdated WebOS versions cause compatibility issues with Spectrum's app. Navigate to Settings, Support, Software Update, and ensure you're running the latest version. Finally, a simple restart fixes 45% of app problems. Turn off your TV, wait a minute, and turn it back on.